I have a total experience of about 7 years, which is like relatively less, but I would say I have not faced a single point where where I've never faced a point where gender bias is actually happening, and I would say I would attribute all this to the events of this kind, and because of this type of initiatives that are continuously happening, I think the people now are like women now are representation of women in tech has now increased a lot, and we are not facing any type of gender bias, be it like I have had male managers throughout my entire career, but not at a single point I felt that because I'm a woman I am being I'm not growing or anything like that, and it has always been the opposite. I've got like lot of encouragements from my managers and from senior people in my team just because of such type of initiatives which opens mind to the people that women are equally good. This is something where like not everything can be automated, right? Like you need to have human presence to actually identify some tricky cases. So I can I can very well write a rule what the human annotators do. You can ask a question, why do you need a model if it is the human annotators who are validating? Yeah, simple rule can do that, right? Like they will check 2-3 features and that is then they will say it is like yes or no, but it is not so tricky. You need to have like always human are better than any type of rules or machines, and you need the human labelers are very much needed for generating the labels for fraud use case, and without this it is very difficult. And fraud cases are like you're looking for a needle in a haystack, and it is like too heavy, and without a support of people like human annotators it is very difficult to get better results from the model. Policy level, if you say, you need to understand what is happening in the entire cycle of your product. If you take a thing like e-wallet or digital wallets, you need to accept the fact that you have fraudsters, something like this is happening, and it is very important to have some methods to fight against this, because like if you don't have any type of mechanisms like this, it is easy, like your entire name of the company might go at one point, and these type of initiatives are very much needed to actually it's not just about growth, right? You should also have like risk side, and you should have like a separate team which will do this type of projects and stuff, and listen to your team what they want. Like if you take policy, I come and say that I'm a data scientist and I say like I need human annotators. It is very costly to set up a team to do human labeling, but if that is what is needed, and this is like if it is important, then you have to do it. Like there should be changes from policy level to listen to the team that they are doing, and you have to accept that there are some things that can go wrong in your model as well.